the bell is on. So what we have to do is, we have to join our hands, close our eyes and start the prayer. Thank you, God, for the birds so sweet. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for everything. Happy morning. And let's go with our journey. What is the first letter? Yes, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now you will say that yes ma'am, we all know about the reading. So how about the writing? So you all want to be the pro in cursive writing. आप सबको स्टार राइटर बनना है। तो चलिए हमारी जर्नी में हम देखते हैं कैसे लिखेंगे आप। So this is your 4-line notebook, children, and parents kindly note this is your 4-line notebooks. For being a star writer, you should know the rules and the regulations of the 4 lines. कहाँ से कब start करना है, कैसे लिखना है? I'll guide you today how you have to do it in your 4 lines notebook. Come on now, first line in your 4 lines is a headline. This red line is a headline. The second one is the middle line. This is the base line and the descender line. ये 4 lines हैं, इसमें ही हमें सारे curves सीखने हैं. So when you go with the curves, you have cursive strokes. You must have learned in your LKG and nursery about the strokes, the slanting line, the sleeping line. In upper KG, you will be learning about cursive strokes. Which strokes? Cursive strokes. In cursive strokes, you have undercurve stroke. In undercurve stroke, you have to swing up. जैसे हमारा swing, झूला जो है वो ऊपर की ओर जाता है, वैसे ही हमारा undercurve stroke जाता है. Now comes down curve. जो down curve है वो है हमारा drives down, ऐसे वाला, ये down curve है. इधर हम A लिखते हैं down curve में. Even we write D also in down curve. Q comes in down curve and C comes in down curve. Capital A, capital O and capital C. These are for the down strokes, down curve strokes. Okay. In undercurve, we have I small, T small cursive, U small cursive, W small cursive and E. In undercurve, we have capital S, capital L, capital P and capital R. This is about undercurve stroke. Now comes slide to the right. Yes, as the cow moves to the right, the same way, capital F, and this is the slide to right. Capital T, slide to right, and small t we have over here, slide to right. Other curve is over curve. ऊपर से जो आता है that is called over curve, which bounces up. As if in small cursive you say N, M, Y and X. And in capital it's J. Now the slant curve. How about the slant curve? Slant is when you go to the right or the left, there are some slants like small j, small g, small f, small h, capital P and capital R and B also. So these are all your slants. Now check stroke. Last but not the least is the check stroke. In this stroke, you finishes the letter with small curve to end, as if small b, small o, small w. So these are all the check stroke. What we call it, children? Check stroke. So you have to be particular about all the strokes you have to learn in your cursive. Now I will show you how you have to write in your cursive practice book also. So this is your practice book where you have to write the cursive properly. This helps you to achieve the best writing. You have to have your 4 positions properly. That is your good posture. When you sit on the chair, you should be in your right posture to write your cursive writing. The other one is great paper position. The paper should be little bit of slant. Either you are a lefty or a righty. According to your hand, you have to position the paper. आपका paper position उसके हिसाब से होना चाहिए. Now comes super pencil position. See, look children, this is the pencil. You all can see. Yes, it should be between your pointer finger and your thumb, and you have to start writing it from the point of the pencil. So the super pencil position also helps you to be a star writer. Size and shape of each letter should be in your mind. आप देखेंगे कि ये साइज छोटा है तो हमें उसको ये 2 lines में ही लेना है. A. Now comes B. You have to go to the top red line. Come down and out. Now comes C. In the between the 2 blue lines, you have to finish it. So this is your letter D. You have to take it as you write C with between the 2 blue lines. Go up to the red line, come down and a curve. Turn your page and come to letter E. This is again the same way you write the C. You have to take in between 2 blue lines and a curve. Now comes F. F you have to start with the blue line, second blue line, go up to the red line, come down till the red line and a curve. Children, please note F you have to be little bit careful while you write. Now G, as you write A, complete it, come down to the red line and out. H, till the red line first and the second blue line. I, in between 2 blue lines. J, in between 2 blue lines, touch the red line of the bottom one and a little curve. K, right to the red line, come to the second blue line, curve and out. L, the simple curve to the red line up to the second blue line. M, you have to write in between 2 blue lines. N, again between 2 blue lines. O, between 2 blue lines. P, you have to be a little bit careful. Take it from the blue line, go up to the red line, come down till the red line and a curve. Now comes Q. Like A and C, you have to make a small curve, come down and out. R, in between 2 blue lines. S, in between 2 blue lines. T, again like L but no curve and till the blue line and a cow wala line. U, between 2 blue lines. V, between 2 blue lines. W, between 2 blue lines. X, between 2 blue lines. Y, like U, you have to touch the red line down wala and curve. The Z also same way. So children, you have seen how you have to write A to Z. Yes. Now I will show you the other way how you have to write. So parents, you have wheat flour, right? आपके घर में wheat flour होगा, आटा गेहूं का, और एक प्लेट में वो आटा ले लीजिए and let the children should practice in this atta. I'll show you how. You have to take your pointer finger next to your thumb wala finger and start writing in this flour. आटे में लिखना शुरू करेंगे. This is C. Children, have fun. मज़ा आ रहा है ना? अब देखते हैं how you have to write A. Come on, just erase it. इसको सिर्फ erase करना है. और अब हम क्या लिखेंगे इसमें? A. So make a curve like C, touch on the top and a curve. Wow, this is A. Now let's see how you write F. दिखाओ F कैसे लिखेंगे. I'll show you few of the alphabets. Parents, you can make them to write down A to Z also. I'll show you F. You have to take a curve from the top, come down and round and loop and out. This is your letter F. Yes, I'll show you one more letter. चलो एक और लास्ट में हम देख लेते हैं कौन सा वाला है. Which you all want to see? Letter E. चलो we'll see letter E. This way you have to make a curve and write letter E. So children, is it properly visible to you? Yes, you all enjoyed this class. इसमें तो आटे से खेलने भी मिलेगा. Let's see. So children, आपने देखा हमें कैसे लिखना सीखना है. How you have to complete your cursive A to Z. Till we meet you in the next class.